Good evening. Good evening to everyone. Yes, so today we're going to discuss the concept of average. So firstly, I'm going to explain some shortcuts and tricks in average. If you had any doubts, please ask me. So average na enna? What is average? So average அப்படினா நம்ம நிறைய ஆன்சர் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? So average means sum of all the elements by total number of elements, common number, middle number, mean value, right? So there are so many answers for average, but now I'm going to explain a new concept in average. So using this, we're going to get the answer without using your pen and paper. So அது எப்படிங்கறத இப்ப பார்க்க போறோம். Listen, if there are 4 persons, let's take A, B, C, D. 4 பேர் இருக்காங்க. So 4 persons had 4 different amount. A had 70 rupees, B had 60 rupees, C had 30 rupees and D had 40 rupees. If I ask the question, what is the average of this 4 person? The 4 பேத்தோட average என்ன அப்படினு கேட்டா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Sum of all the elements by total number of elements. So average is equal to sum is 200. 200 divided by 4 is 50. So 50 is the average value. But what is the idea behind this? So எப்படி இந்த 50 கிடைச்சது அப்படினு யோசிங்க. See, so apart from the formula, let's think one thing. Okay, let's get all the amount from the 4 person. இந்த 4 பேத்துக்கு இருக்கிற அமௌண்ட்லாம் நீங்க வாங்கிக்கோங்க. So from A take 70 rupees, from B take 60 rupees, C take 30 rupees and D take 40 rupees from D. Okay, so in your hand now how many amount is there? So இப்போ உங்க கையில எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? So you had total amount 200, right? So in this 200 you're going to distribute equally. Okay, so 4 பேத்துக்கும் சரிசமமா பிரிச்சு கொடுக்க போறீங்க. அப்ப எவ்வளவு கொடுப்பீங்க? If you distribute this amount equally means each one gets 50 rupees, correct? So each one get 50 rupees. That is why average is also 50. ஒருத்தருக்கும் ஈக்குவலா பிரிச்சு கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் average அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். So hereafter if anybody asks that what is mean by average means, don't say that common value, middle value, mean value, okay, sum of all the elements by total number of elements. Instead of that, just to say that equally distribution. Okay, look at this. If there is a new person, E, புதுசா ஒருத்தர் உள்ள வராரு, அவர் பேர் வந்து E னு வெச்சுக்கோ. So he had 50 rupees. Now I want to find the average of all the 5. Already we know that 4 persons average value is 50. 4 பேரோடது 50 நமக்கு தெரியும். இப்ப அஞ்சாவதா ஒருத்தர் வராரு, the 5th person also had 50. So if you add all the numbers 70 plus 60 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 divided by 5, you will get the answer. But just think about the equally distribution. What is mean by equally distribution? Everybody should have the same amount. So the 4 பேருக்கு எவ்வளவு கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கீங்க? 50. Already average value is 50. The new person also 50. So there is no need to distribute again. Okay, எல்லாத்துக்கிட்ட ஈக்குவலா தான இருக்கு. So leave it, 50 is the same average value. But if the new person had 60 rupees, okay, the new person had 60 rupees, 10 rupees extra, correct? Listen, everybody had 50, average value is 50 means everybody had 50. The new person also had 50 means no issues, but the new person had 60 rupees, extra 10 rupees. Just equally distribute the 10 rupees to all the 5. That's enough. So everybody got 2 extra, right? So 50 plus 2, 52 is the new average value. Okay, clear? So this is the easy concept for getting average. Let's see some questions. Okay, just look at this question. I will explain this with easy way how to get answer for this. Okay, the average age of 39 students and a teacher is 11. If the teacher's age is excluded, the average age will be reduced by 1. What is the teacher's age? So now I'm going to explain this question in 2 different ways. One is shortcut, another one is traditional method. Okay, traditional method is that is only single equation. See, totally 39 students and a teacher, 40 members are in the class. Average age is 11 means each one is 11. Correct? Each one's age is 11. So 40 members are there. Each one is 11 means 40 into 11. That is the total amount. Okay. And look at this. If teacher's age is excluded, means there is only 39 students. Right? If there is only 39 students means now the average age is reduced by 1. If the average age is reduced by 1 means 11 will become 10. Correct? If teacher's age is included, this is the total. If teacher's age is excluded, this is the total. The difference between these two is the teacher's age. This is the equation way of getting answer. Look at this. 40 into 11 is what? 440. 39 into 10 is what? 390. So the difference between these two values is 50. 50 is the teacher's age. Okay, this is one way of getting answer. Now I want to explain the other way of getting answer with shortcut. Okay, look at this. In a class there are 39 students over there. Okay, let's take there is a 39 students and a teacher. I am also inside the class. Okay, if you guys are 39 is there. Average age of 39 students and a teacher is 11. That means all the persons inside the class is what? 11-year-old. Average 11 means each one is 11. Okay, let's take each one's age is 11. Okay, everybody is 11. My age is also 11 because all of us 40, average is 11. Right? Okay, now my period was over. Okay, bell was rang, so I am going to went out. If I went out of the class, what did this mean in mathematically? One teacher is went out of the class, but in mathematically 111 was went out of the class. There are 4011 inside the class. 111 was went out of the class. Okay, I want to tell one secret in average. See, always there was one incident happen in the question, average question, whatever the question it may be. You can write a CAT exam, GATE exam, okay, bank exam, whatever it is, there is some incident happen in the question. After that incident, either average will increase or average will decrease. Please listen carefully. Either the average will increase or average will decrease. The only thing is, if average is increased by 1, average la 1 increase aachna, everybody will be increased by 1. Okay, increase. If average is decreased by 1, everybody inside the group will decreased by 1. Average la 1 kammi aachna, so this is called average. If average is increased by 5, everybody inside the group will be increased by 5. Okay, this is the secret of average. Okay, look at this. There are 39 students inside the class. Everyone's age is 11. I am also inside the class. My age is also 11 because average is 11. If I went out of the class, 111 is went out. What happened in the average? Average was reduced by 1. If average is reduced by 1, each one inside the class will be reduced by 1. Is it right? How many students are there in the class? Can you comment me? How many students are there in the class? If one teacher came out of the class means 39 students are there, right? So all the 39 students will reduced by 1. Is it right? If all the 39 students is reduced by 1 means 39 age is came with me. So 39, 111 went out means 39 is came with that 11. So what is the teacher's age? Teacher's age is 39 plus 11, 50. 50 is the teacher's age. Did you got it? You got my point? Is it clear? Anybody had doubt? Please thumbs up, guys. Let me check ourselves whether we understand this concept or not. See, same question, instead of reduced by 1, I will write 2. Okay, the average age will be reduced by 2. What is the teacher's age? Please try and give your answer in comment box fast. If you gave the right answer means we go to the next question. First, instead of 1, take 2 and give your answer. Let's check how many of you got the right answer without using pen and paper. Okay, let me explain. See, there are 39 students and a teacher. Average age is 11. That means each one age is 11. Okay, teacher's age is also 11 because all the 40 members average age is 11. If teacher's age is excluded, that means 111 is went out. If teacher is went out means average was reduced by 2. If average was reduced by 2, everybody inside the class will be reduced by 2. How many persons are there? 39%. All the 39% will be reduced by 2. 39 into 2 is what? 78. If 111 went out, that 11, 78 years came with that person. So 78 plus 11 is what? 89. Very good, Manoj Prabhakar. 89 is the right answer. Now everybody got it? Can we move for some problems in the same concept? Without using pen and paper or this equation, we can get the answer. Okay, let's start with this problem. Find answer for this. The average of 5 result is 46 and that of the first 4 is 45. Find the fifth result. Fast, fast, fast. Only 30 seconds. There are 5 result, right? 5 result average is 46 means each result is 46, correct? 46, 46, 46, 46. Okay, what is the question? The first 4 result, that means if you take one result out, that means 146 out means average become 45. That means average was reduced by 1. If average was reduced by 1, each one will reduced by 1, correct? That means mine plus 4. So 4 was came out with the E, right? So 46 plus 4 is what? 50. Otherwise, you need to take 46 into 5, 46 into 4. After finding both the multiplication value, you need to take the difference, then only you got the answer. But here you can directly get the answer. Difference is 1, correct? So 46 plus 1 means there are 4% inside. 4 plus 1, 46 plus 4 is 50 is the right answer. Okay, let's move for the next question. Same concept. Can you tell answer for this fast now? Look at this. The average of 5 numbers is 42. That means each one is 42. Okay. If one number is excluded, that means 142 is excluded means average become 35. That means average was reduced by 7. If average is reduced by 7, all the 4 will be reduced by 7. So 7 into, that means 7, 7, 7, 7. All the 4 will be reduced by 7. So 7 into 4 is 28. So if 142 you taken from the group, 28 was came with that. So 42 plus 28 is what? 70. 70 is the right answer. Is it correct? So you got it. What is the concept of average? Everyone, please press S. Did you understand this or not? Let's do the next problem. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds time. Complete it first. Anybody got the answer? Okay, listen. The average weight of 8 men. Simple, guys. Within 5 seconds, you can give the answer for this question. Okay, please listen what I'm doing. There are 8 persons in a group. Okay, average was not given. But if one person is went out, instead of that, another person replaced that person. Okay, the person who went out is 50 kg. So my question is, if new person who is 50 kg, okay, the same who is 50 kg is enter into the group, means there is no change in average, right? If one 50 kg person was went out, another 50 kg person was came into the group, means there is no change in the average, correct? But due to this replacement, average was increased by 2 kg. So what is the trick? What is the trick I had explained? If average is increased by 2, everyone inside the group will be increased by 2. Correct? So average is increased by 2 means totally there are 8%. All the 8% will be increased by 2. So 16 kg was increased due to the replacement. That means the new person was 50 kg plus extra 16 kg. That is why the 16 was shared equally to all the person as 2, 2, 2, 2. That is why the average also increased by 2. So the new person's weight is 66 kg. Is it right? Guys, you no need to do anything. Average was increased by 2 kg means all the 8% will increase by 2. So 8 into 2, that's what the only thing you need to do. 50 plus 16 is what? 66. That is the answer. It takes 5 to 10 seconds, right? Can you understand the concept? No need to use any formula. Clear? Yes? Can you move to the same question again? Same type of question, one more question. Let me try. Look at this question. Please give your answer fast. I'll give you 30-second time again. Super, super. Rajesh, Satyanarayanan, everybody got the answer. Good. So, the easy way of getting answer for this question is 2.5 kg, 8%, right? So 2.5 was increased in average. So 8%, all the 8% will be increased by 2.5. So 20 kg will be increased. Already it was 56. So 20 kg addition means 56 plus 20, 76 is the right answer. Very good. Super, super. Purinjadilla, is it clear? I move for the next question. Right. So next level of question, little bit next level of question. Please try this. First, I'll give you only 1 minute time. $50, no. Satyanarayanan, please recheck. கிட்ட வந்துட்டீங்க. Okay, let me explain. So more than your answers, I want to explain. At least I will explain 5 to 6 problems. It will be helpful for you for practice. Okay, see, a person has completed 10 innings. ஒருத்தர் வந்து 10 மேட்ச் விளையாண்டிருக்கார் and his average is 21.5. Look at clearly, 21.5 is not the score, it was average. Average is 21.5 means each match he got 21.5. Is it right? Up to 10 matches he got 21.5. Okay, leave it. My question is for your understanding. உங்களுக்கு புரியணும்னா always ask this question yourself. Okay, what is that question means? Today he going to play 11th match. 11th match also he take same 21.5 means what will happen? இன்னைக்கும் அதே 21.5 எடுத்தாருன்னா என்ன நடக்கும்? ஒண்ணுமே நடக்காது. He will get the same average. But இன்னைக்கு அவருக்கு ஒரு ஆசை. Today he had a different desire. That is his average 21.5 should become converted into 24. அவரோட 21.5 இருக்க average 24 மாறணும். That means he want to increase his average by 2.5 runs. Average 2.5 runs increase ஆகணும்னா all the matches should increase by 2.5. If average was increased by 1 means everybody inside the group will be increased by 1. அதான concept. So if average want to increase by 2.5, everybody, all the matches should increase by 2.5. So 2.5 need to increase in average means all the 11 matches should increase by 2.5. So 2, 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 27.5 runs he should take extra. Then only this extra 2.5 he will get. Okay, so as usual 21.5 adichirano. That is constant. More than that he need to take 27.5. Okay, so 21.5 plus 27.5 is what? 49 runs. So totally today's match if he got 49 runs means his average will be increased by 2.5. Is it clear? Everyone, can we do one more problem? புரிஞ்சதுங்களா? புரியலனா சொல்லுங்க. I will explain once again. Okay, right, super question. Just look at the question, use your brain, not your pen and paper. Give your answer fast. I'll give you 1 minute time. மியூட் பண்ண முடியாது யூடியூப். Anybody got answer? If anyone got answer means I will happy. We will move to the next question. At least any wrong answers? No? Okay guys, let me explain. You will get the answers, but the problem is time. For this type of question you need to get the answer within 1 minute. That's what very important. Okay, super Rajesh, I will explain. Answer is not right, but at least you tried. Happy about that. Okay, everybody who are all trying this problem, please listen. I will explain this. Don't do anything. Just tell me one thing. Actually, in that class, already 39 students are there. So number of students is 39. Average age of the students was 15. Average age is 15 means each one student is 15. Correct? Okay. Let me ask one thing. Don't consider he is a teacher. Our teacher நினைக்காதீங்க. யாரோ ஒருத்தர் உள்ள வராங்க. Yeah, one person was came inside. Okay. Let's take one person was came inside the class. First question, I always told that இதை நீங்களே கேட்டுக்கோங்க. Ask this question about yourself. That is, if the new person is also 15 years, what will happen in the average? Already average is 15. Average 15 means each person is 15. New person also 15 means there is no change in average. Correct தானே? அதே ஏஜ்ல ஒருத்தர் உள்ள வந்தாருன்னா ஆவரேஜ்ல ஒண்ணுமே நடக்காது, அது அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும், ஈக்குவலா தான் இருக்கு டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் ஆகி. பட் if due to the new person enter into the class, average was increased by 3 months. So நான் உங்ககிட்ட என்ன சொல்றேன், if average was increased by 3 months means everyone inside the group will be increased by 3 months. இதை மட்டும் பண்ணுங்க, இதெல்லாம் தேவையே இல்லை. Okay, if average was increased by 3 months means everybody inside the class will increase by 3 months. So totally there are 40 students. Okay, already 39, now one person increased. Okay, all the 40 are increased by 3 months. Okay, 3 into 40 is 120 month. Listen carefully, it was month. 120 month is how many years? Please tell me. 120 month is how many years? 120 month, 1 year had 12 months. Okay, so 120 divided by 12 is 10 years. So the new person was 10 years more than the others in the class. Okay, so this 10 year was equally distributed to all the 40 members as 3 months. Is it clear? So the age of the teacher was 15 plus 10, 25. Is it clear or not? Everyone, please, everyone tell me that whether it is clear or not. 3 was increased, 3 month increased means all the 40 was increased by 3. So 120 months was more. 120 month is 10 years. 10 years was more than the others. Others are 15 years, 10 years plus. Clear? Super, super. Thank you guys. So I want to give one homework, little bit more tricky question. So please note it down. Give your answer in comment box. I will see and expect your answers. So all these questions we can see is in the same type. So please give your answer in comment box. And tomorrow 7:30 we're going to discuss the next concept, ratio and proportion. Yesterday I had taken average. Okay, today was yesterday percentage, today average. Tomorrow we're going to discuss about ratio and proportion. I expect you all for the live class. So I hope you enjoy this class. Please give the comment and feedbacks. Thank you, all the very best guys. Thank for your support. See you next session. Take care and bye-bye.